In this video, we'll show you how to test your fuel injectors, and all you need is a long screwdriver. Let's get to it. If your car is idling rough, has bad fuel economy, misfires, hesitation, or a loss of power, you might have a bad fuel injector. Although these symptoms could also be caused by something else. But before you can test the fuel injectors, you need to know where to find them. We're first going to remove the air intake to get better access to the fuel injectors. They are located to the side of your engine and are usually mounted on a metal fuel rail and connected to a second rail like this, holding the wires together. Our engine is a straight 4, so we only have injectors on one side, but if you have a V-shaped engine, you'll have injectors on both sides. So locate the wires and fuel rail running along the engine, and there you'll find the injectors mounted to the side of the engine, one for each cylinder. Your fuel injectors work by getting a constant fuel pressure from the fuel pump through the fuel rail, and they get activated by receiving an electrical impulse from your car's computer. Inside the injector is an electromagnet, and that impulse pulls a pin up which opens the fuel injector, allowing fuel to pass through and inject in the cylinder. When the electrical impulse stops, a spring pushes the pin down again, closing the injector. That opening and closing creates a ticking noise which tells you the injector is working. To hear it tick, all you need is a long screwdriver. Position the screwdriver against the side of the fuel injector with the engine running. Now bring your ear to the screwdriver. If you listen closely, you'll hear a clear and consistent ticking noise if the injector is working correctly. If it's not ticking or ticking irregularly, the fuel injector is not working correctly. If this method isn't clear enough or you want to be able to hear it better, you can buy one of these affordable car stethoscopes. They work in the same way but give a much clearer sound. We'll put a link to it in the description under the video so you can easily find it. Put the earpieces in your ears and place the metal probe against the fuel injector. You'll hear the injector ticking much louder and clearer than with the screwdriver. Then check all the injectors to see if there's a difference between any of them. If one sounds different or bad, replace it. But remember, this test only tells you if the fuel injector is opening and closing. It doesn't tell you if the resistance of the coil is still good, if there's enough fuel pressure on the fuel rail, or if the injector is gunked up and clogged. We'll show you how to test all that in separate videos, so make sure to check it out. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our new videos. We've got a lot of new stuff coming up, so stay tuned.